If your idea of a prank is a knock and a laugh, you're not alone. But if it ends with a child dying, something's gone terribly wrong. Here's what happened in Houston. In Houston, Texas, 11-year-old Julian Guzman was shot and killed while playing Ding Dong Ditch, a simple prank, at night, with friends. The homeowner, a 42-year-old Army veteran, chased the kids, firing his gun and striking Julian in the back. Police say the boys were not a threat. Prosecutors argue deadly force for a prank can never be justified. The community is outraged. Julian's family is calling for justice and real gun safety reform. A prank should never end in tragedy. Share if you agree. We need better gun safety laws.